Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to, let me go back, we have to scroll down to find system and update. Then let's tap on backup and reset, and tap on reset phone. Here we've got the option reset network and Bluetooth settings, so let's tap on it, and your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So even though we've got only network and Bluetooth settings, here we've got it specified, so Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. So just tap on reset if you're ready. Now let's wait, and as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.